Hi, I'm Frank from WaveDirect. If you're watching this video, you've recently received a new modem that needs to be set up. I'm here to show you how to set that up. Before we begin, there are a few steps you need to take. First, call our technical support line. Let them know that you have received your new modem and that you're ready for them to process the swap. The swap can take up to 24 hours. Typically, it's completed within 2 to 4. Once that has been completed, your old modem or current one will stop working completely. Once that happens, that will be your cue to plug in your new modem. So let's get started. First, we're going to open the box. Inside of the box, you will see an Ethernet cable, instruction manuals from the manufacturer, your new modem. You can see the ports in the back there, and a power supply. To plug in your new modem, you'll want to grab the coax line currently sticking out of your wall. And it looks like this. Okay? You want to screw that into the back of your new modem, or take it out of your current modem and just switch it to this one. Screw it into the back and make sure that it's nice and tight. Go. Once that is done, you also want to take your power supply and plug that in as well, and at the bottom here, and into the power outlet. When you plug that in, you will start seeing some light indicators down here at the bottom. Now that you have everything connected, it is important to know that this unit has the Wi-Fi router built in. Just simply use the Wi-Fi information, your Wi-Fi name, and your Wi-Fi password included in the box, and you'll be able to get your devices connected and get up and running. If you are using your own Wi-Fi router, it's also important to know that you'll have to plug it in a certain way. For that, you simply use the Ethernet cable included in the box and plug it into port number 1. It's the top one in the back of the new modem. The other end of this Ethernet cable, plug it into the internet port of your Wi-Fi router. It might be labeled as internet. It could also be labeled as WAN. Or sometimes it simply has a circle globe icon. That will be the indicator that that's the port you need to plug this one in. Once that is all completed, you'll be able to start using your service as normal and be back up and running. Be sure to call our technical support line if you need any assistance or if you have any questions. Thank you. Have a great day.